So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is exactly garden lime and what is the purpose for it and how to use it and how to mix this. And garden lime could help so much plants in your garden. Garden lime is basically calcium. So if you guys ever heard about blossom and rotten, you ever wonder why your fruit is rotten in the bottom, like your tomatoes, your peppers, your zucchini, or your yellow squash, sometimes they're just rotten in the bottom? It's because one of the main reason is calcium. The other reason could be pollination, overwater, it could be lack of nutrition, it could be a lot of stuff. But one of the main reason is calcium, guys. So basically, you could add calcium in your compost like myself, but sometimes your plant, after producing so much tomatoes, for example, they're growing massive fruit, and if you don't obtain the fertilizer or the compost or something, you're gonna end up with blossom rotten, losing your tomatoes at the bottom. So to avoid that rotten bottom and losing your fruit, you could add garden lime. I know many gardeners are adding whole milk. They're mixing whole milk with water. I never personally tried it before, but milk is calcium and a lot of people swear that it works. So if you don't want to try garden lime, you could try your whole milk. And if you do that, guys, or you did that before and it works, please comment and let me know, because I'm ready to try that, and I will try that very soon. But today I'm trying garden lime to show you guys, because what happened, I had some problem last week and I tried this and it worked. Before I did this video, I want to make sure this product works. If your plant is in ground, it's a lesser chance to get this problem, but in container you will have the problem a lot. In your in ground you will have it too, but you wouldn't have it so much as container. Container have a higher chance because there's only so much limit of a soil. You guys got to remember, in the container your root goes down and then it comes upward, it doesn't spread out. In ground your roots spread out, so you have it has a bigger, wider range to pull in nutrition from around the soil to the plant. Container is limited, so that's why you're gonna have the problem in container. Basically, guys, if you could see, I have about a gallon of water, and you could use cups or you could use your hands. Wear gloves if you want, or wash your hands. So basically, what do you want to do? You want to make sure you mix this properly. So look, it's like a little handful. I'll toss one in. I'll do 2 to 3. If you have a lot of plants and you notice your plant needs a lot, you could do 3 small handful. I'll toss that in. You could even go to 4, depends what you want. And you start it up like this. You want to make sure you really start up. It has to look like muddy water. So once it's like muddy water, if it looks too light, you go ahead and add 1 more handful. So you could do 3 to 4 handful for a gallon of water. And you want to go ahead and make sure, as I said, guys, mix this really well. It's fully mixed. I got a 16-ounce solo cup. I'm gonna fill it up, and then see my tomatoes. I got some big tomatoes there. So with a big plant like this, just pour the whole thing inside and get it all in there. That's fine. And fill up another cup, and we're gonna go. I literally have tomatoes in here and I have that problem. So go ahead. You could pour 1 to 2 cups, depends on the plant. If you only have 1 plant, I suggest just pour 1. So if you guys see right here, look, pepper's rotten out right there. And this one is about to, so this is a good sign. So I'm gonna pull them out. Guys, if you see they're rotten, just pull them out. And then this is a 5-gallon container. I got 2 plant. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of this and give it a couple days. Trust me, guys, calcium will handle this situation. Always make sure you have rich soil, or you're up to date with your fertilizer. And if you're not up to date with your fertilizer, add some fertilizer and use a fertilizer that has calcium inside. So if you guys see right here, this is how it starts right here, the blossom and rotten. It'll get brown, black, and it'll start rotting up, and then it'll come more. So this could eat it with your pepper plant, your tomatoes, your zucchini, and your squash and stuff like that. You will have this problem. Add either fertilizer with calcium inside, guys, to keep your plant up to nutrition, or if you already had added fertilizer and everything and you're still having this problem, add the garden lime. Check in the link in the description box. I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to leave the also garden, there's another one called organic garden lime. I'm going to add that too. And if you don't want to try these products, you could always try whole milk with water. I see a lot of people, there's a lot of YouTube videos on there and people swear that it works. So we're gonna put that to the test one of these days to show you guys. Even too, guys, there's some fertilizer or some calcium product that you add and you'll still have this problem. It means you're watering too. You got to make sure your tomato plant or your pepper plant have enough water to break down whatever calcium product you use, and actually the plant has to observe it. So you have to have enough water of your plants too. So if you're ripening up your tomatoes and you're trying to dry out your plant, but you're also having blossom and rotten, and you're adding calcium, you have to add water. You have to have enough water so your plant can actually use the calcium. So guys, if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. I'm all about growing a home garden, and we're here to help each other out. And if you guys have any question, please comment below. If you're new, please subscribe. It's 100% free. Every time I upload a new video, you guys will get it right away by clicking the bell icon. And thank you guys so much. If anybody need help, always share my video. I do appreciate it, guys. And I'll see you guys next time on GreenTGarden. I'm gonna eat this pepper still. This is a hot pepper, by the way.